Welcome to deMario Ggow. I'm sure by now you are confident about signing up or onboarding. So when you log into your app or your workspace, this is how it will look like. My name is Famedes. I am a photographer at deMario, and this is my workspace. So you have all these details. This is my verified staff ID, and I can download it. I can use it anywhere. It verifies and certifies me as a staff of deMario Ggow. Now to my dashboard, you want to learn about how to install this app as a progressive web app on your mobile device. That makes it easier for you to sign in at any time you want. So first off, if you're on iPhone, you click the three dots on the right and then you try to share. Okay, in the share, you'd find down here, add to home screen. So once you click it, there is deMario. You can decide to name it either ways or any way that you want, and then you add. Now it gets added to your home screen. This is the app. Okay, so I'm going to position it right here, and anytime I log in, it's going to bring me right back into my dashboard or into my workspace. All right, to log into your account, if you log out or you are signed out, you scroll down, okay, all the way down, and then click on the year 2026. Or if you can see on the right here, there is a padlock, kind of a padlock there. So let me go back and then click on the year 2026 over here. Okay, and clicking on it would bring me to sign in. I'm going to type in my details and I would be able to sign in immediately. Oh, no, this is the subscription box. Okay, so this is not my password. All right. Okay, so there I am. Not now. Okay, so there I am in my dashboard. Okay, so always remember, on this left panel, you can always access different functions. These are my tasks and my projects. These are different stuff. Any projects assigned to you, you get to see it here. So there are a lot of projects that I've executed, and that also reflects in my financials. So far, I've not made much, just 1,003 in the